Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get avatar on Facebook. So first of all, update your Facebook app from the Play Store or the App Store. Now open the Facebook app. Now click on the three horizontal lines that you see at the top right hand corner, which is right here. Tap on it. Now you'll see something like this. Now you will see one of the options as see more at the bottom that you can see. See more, tap on it. Now again there are a lot of options. Now as you can see, the second option is Ads Manager. After Ads Manager, Avatars is there. Click on Avatars. Loading. Now first of all you need to select your skin tone. So select one of these skin tones. Suppose I'm going to select this one. Click on Next. Now I need to choose a hairstyle: short, medium, long. There are so many. I'm going to click on short. So okay, so this one. Okay, I'm going to select one of them. Okay, probably this one. Now click on done. So this is the avatar. It's an EVA to be on Facebook and Messenger. Click on next. Use your avatar in comments. Okay, click on next. So this is avatar. Show off your new avatar by creating a post. Now either you can share it to newsfeed, or I'm going to click on skip. Now again you can do a lot of things. Okay, let me check out the options. What is that? The second one. Okay, these are for stickers that I can actually add. Then again, this one is the skin tone. If I want to edit my avatar, and again you can check here hairstyle, color, then face shape. You can actually select face shape. Okay, and that is not coming. Now face shape, you can select any one of them. Then there is complexion is there, so you can select any one of them. So many lot of options are there. Then lines, eye shape is there, and colors, makeup. So there are a lot of options are there here that you can actually edit into your avatar. So this is how you can get avatar on Facebook. This is very simple. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.